the French Revolution on wheels. First, we had to convince the men at Renault, and that took a while. Finally, she found 3 like-minded people, Betty, Lillian, and Martine. Why only women? Why not? I wanted a young, beautiful, sympathetic team. At first roads, then slopes, then hardly any road at all. It was hardest in the jungle of Mato Grosso. 4 women in their cars, digging through the deepest mud, again and again. So deep, the rivers even deeper. And again, they were on the front pages all over Latin America, on the radio. During their 6 months in Latin America, they were a sensation. The legend of the Renault 4. She now wants to film at the original locations with original Renault 4s, if possible. In fact, Renault had initially overlooked a large part of its clientele, women. But then came an advertising campaign targeting women at the wheel. Here's the special edition, an elegant model in black. Geraldine is the proud owner. I just find them extremely cute. Simply Bauhaus on wheels. No question, her obsession with French cars runs deep. The Renault 4 has caught her completely. She is currently in Alsace on a very special mission. Her darling has a defect she desperately wants to fix. She is looking for the last missing piece of her bodywork. An appointment with fabric experts.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
This is the original reference. This is the fabric. And this is what needs to be done. There is one difference, but similar fabrics could work too. I'd rather leave it as is. No luck with the seat cover. And the weather isn't cooperating either. She must press on to the Netherlands. For a Parisian, you must hold out. Hundreds of kilometers. Waiting for this nearly 60-year-old car. They'll have better luck there. Helmut Schlutz from Langenau near Ulm. The photographer has fulfilled a lifelong dream with his Renault 4-panel van. It serves as his workshop and camper van, doesn't cost much, and gives him enormous freedom and a very special driving experience. Whoever drives slowly sees more. With the Renault 4, he finds the way among the most beautiful places for his photo shoots. The Renault 4-panel van, it's not only good for small escapes, he's already taken it on the famous Italian trail. I wanted to escape everyday life, to find myself, away from commissioned work, back to photography for its own sake. Helmo and his Renault 4 are inseparable. Now he's on his way to his classic car club, where he meets not only old friends, but also the competition to his Renault. Renault's between yachts and beach houses in Cannes. The fleet boss, Fabrice Raffel, brought one of the 2 original vehicles from 1965, transported here. Getting Michèle Ray-Gavras on board took some convincing, but now she is here. The film producer wants to make a feature film about the incredible expedition. Renault was a supporter back then. They delivered the cars before the all-women team set off on their own. Martine, disregarding her tongue, was an excellent mechanic. Great mechanic. She even changed tires in a race against the clock at 5,000 meters in the Andes. And finally, to Alaska. At the end, with a broken windscreen at minus 18 degrees. Very few believed they would make it. A great reception awaited them in Paris. They showed the world what's possible on board their Renault 4. For Michèle Ray-Gavras, the American tour was the breakthrough. This adventure made her a star, a journalist, and film producer. Film director Alexandra is to direct the feature film. Not only Michèle is on fire for the project, her former companions also support her. Seeing the Renault 4, once again, from the expedition on the phone screen, the piggy is here. Do you recognize it? She now needs, above all, Renault as a supporter, and she already has a plan. Geraldine is also pursuing her plan on her way to the Netherlands. On the way, she has an appointment in Belgium. But just before the finish, the old girl weakens.
Au weh. Okay, da hat's was. Warte, ich
Okay,
noch mal zurück.
there's something. Wait, I'll switch back again.
Okay.
Come on, just a few more meters. You can do it.
Du schaffst das.
Na?
Und? Darf man sich küssen?
Ja. Reise gut geschafft.
How was the trip?
Ja, Reise
Okay,
gut geschafft,
but
aber ich glaub,
I think
sie
she's
ist jetzt ein
offended.
bisschen beleidigt.
Well, the old lady causing trouble again? When I press the clutch, she suddenly pulls forward. Full power, and she still wanted to get here.
Sie wollte noch bis hier.
Time.
Ja, treten stand mal alle durch.
That was loose. But no problem for Thomas. Now I have to show you something else here. Search,
Suchbild.
Okay.
Finde
find
den
the
Fehler.
error. What do you notice?
Was fällt dir auf?
I mean,
Carénage ist runtergefallen.
your carénage has fallen off. Well recognized. And that's why we're heading on to Netherlands now. The last spare part with the carénage pattern. February 1966. Barely more than 4 years after its premiere, it cracked 1 million Renault 4s. Until 1992, the roles off the production line barely changed. Around the world, from Argentina to Zaire. More than 8 millions are built in total. This one is from the third and last series, a little more angular and modern than its predecessors, and yet not quite as young as its owner, Fabian Ernest. You really feel every crack in the road, but it's totally reliable. I love this car more than anything. The Renault 4 has also changed his life. Formerly an architect sitting in front of a screen all day, Fabian Ernst has created a new freedom for himself. A mobile coffee bar, independent and free. That was also the goal of the design. These beautiful shapes, you can see it's been used, but the interior uses contemporary materials. That was important in the design. Saturday morning, weekly market. Fabian Ernst is building himself a new future. Without stress. The love of coffee and the love of the Renault 4 across all borders. Fabian has fulfilled his dream. Geraldine is shortly before her destination, the Netherlands. She nows Bram van only from the cell phone. Until now.
Hi!
You made it. All the way.
This is so nice meeting.
Oh, that is beautiful. It has been years since I've seen one of these. You told me about the treasure you had.
Voila!
So you can really see the red and blue, the little colors inside, so it really looks three-dimensional.
Reproductions nowadays, but they don't look like the original.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Good work. Okay. We need a brevet for that.
Yes.
Real reproductions exist today, but none look like the original. An absolute rarity. There are no more than 25 of them left. Maybe not even 10 in the whole world. Almost nothing left. That's why bringing these two together is such a great idea. Now it just has to fit.
So schön.
So beautiful, is
Das
incredible.
gefällt nicht nur der Parisienne, das gefällt.
Also, Bram has one of the rare Parisian models, but in the Scots Caro, the other variant, something very special is happening here. Professional photo shooting. Just like back then, in the magazine Elle, or in French, the Cartrel. With the Parisian model, the Damon Welder. Ideal advertising photos for her next mission? An anniversary meeting of the Renault 4, pardon, the Cartrel. That's exactly what Parisian is all about. This is our culture. This is chic, luxury, fashion, and models. Ideal promotional photos for your next mission. Jubilee meeting of the Renault 4, pardon of Catrol. Don't dream your life, live your dream. The motto of Helmut Schlutz, the photographer. He has invited his friends from the Classic Car Club. Always also a small competition of the cult cars. With lots of memories. For example, with Ani and his Renault 4. And what about Jackson's duck? Who loves duck or beetle, must suffer in winter. It's time for Helmut's Renault 4. So guys, I can sleep in my car. Good night, boys. Michèle Ray-Gavras is still working on her film project. But the Renault fleet manager would also like his latest project, the Renault 4 Electric. Featured in the film, the idea of the electric Renault 4. The film comes up again, and there's another opportunity. Renault has brought to Cannes a prototype dressed in the old design with tartan pattern like the original, but with an electric motor. Range 120 kilometers. Ideal for the city half the weight of a modern car, saving electricity and providing plenty of space for the battery. Their idea for a collaboration? She gets Renault's support for the film. Renault gets publicity for the new electric Renault 4.
Je ne veux pas travailler. Je ne veux pas.
In Breitenfurt near Vienna, old Parisian shines again. Geraldine has made it. Near Vienna, a gathering. Exactly 60 years ago, the Renault 4 saw the light of the world. And here they are. A colorful mix from all corners of the world. One car that brings people together to this day. For the photographer, it is about more than one goal. Final preparations for the big ride. This meeting is a full success. A total of 62 Renault 4s. Geraldine can hardly believe it. Happy birthday, Renault 4. Yes, really, the dream has come true. The dream of freedom on 4 wheels.